What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen on your laptop in Windows 11. Now, as you can see here on my computer, I'm going to open up two applications. I'm going to open up Zoom and I'm going to open up Microsoft Teams. And there are two ways how to go about doing that. One is to open up one of the applications, and whether it's full screen or not, you can hover over the maximize button. And once you hover over that, you'll have the option that you can quickly do split screens into multiple different options. And as you can see right here, I have them. Now, the other way is to do, for example, this option here, which is the two split screen, is to simply take the application and drag it to one of the sides, either the left or the right on your screen, and it's going to start the split screen for you. Once you do that, you'll be able now to select another window, and I'm going to go ahead and open up a second application, and right there you can see that it opens up. Now, this may not be the full size, and you can always go ahead and just readjust it if you like. So you can adjust it by dragging down, and it's going to make it for you. As I said, you have the option to select them, and you can just basically select those as you see here. And that's it. And if you want to make more from this, you can hover over that and do, for example, a tree, and you can do it something like that, and then add another application right there. Whether it's a new app you want to open up, you can do that. I'm going to do that and show you that I can basically snap another application right there. And that's it. So that's how you can split screen on your Windows 11 PC, guys. Very easy and very simple.